The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Happy Groundhog's Day. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Happy Groundhog's Day. I could just keep repeating it over and over again as a joke about Groundhog's Day, but I won't. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. Let's give a little gander to the markets here in one moment. One moment in time. One moment in time. Anyway. ES. So yesterday, FOMC day. Hey, I'm Matt and Leonardo. Welcome. Glad to see you. So the market just took off after FOMC yesterday and the news conference. Got as high as 41.63, which is the highest we've been since CPI day in December when we hit 41.80. You can see we made a run back toward it overnight. So right now our low of the day, 41.36. High 41.61, so 36, 46, 56, 25-point range. Hey, JC, GED, welcome, welcome, welcome. Kappa, Kappa, Kappa. About 100 ticks of range. Gold. No one's getting a discount on gold anymore. At least not now. About 10 points in range. Ultra Bond also exploded yesterday. It's pulled back a little bit now, but not much at all. Not much at all at all. About a point in range. I did not trade FOMC Borneo. I did trade a little bit of the after. I went down on my Apex account about $300 and got it all back and then literally finished right break even. Then I actually traded Apex last night and I'm up $225 on that. Crude oil down to 76, making new lows there. About 120 ticks of range. And last but not least, natty gas. About 100 ticks of range. Bitcoin's been loving this as well. It's peaked above, shot above 24K for the first time in a long time last evening. Currently sitting just under 24K now. That's where we sit or stand. And we just actually went above. This would have been a kind of a trigger candle, but so that's where we are. News this morning. Let's go take a gander. The Bank of England just had a rate decision apparently. Right now they're having their Bank of England had a rate decision announced 30 minutes ago or so, and now they're doing their press conference. And the ECB, which I believe is the European Central Bank, has their rate decision coming up in about 40 minutes. We'll have to monitor that. That could move the market. And then at 8:30, we have normal every Thursday jobless claims. And then at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. factory orders month over month. So lots of news today. And of course, tomorrow, we have non-farm payrolls. Plus some other stuff. Thank you, Dakota. I appreciate that. For those unaware, I'll probably be touting this a little bit today. I put up a video yesterday regarding NinjaTrader's new offering where you can buy a funded account and how stupid that is. Find it on. I'll even link it. How about that? If you haven't watched it, you should. There you go. Comes back down under the 100. There's kind of hemming and hawing here. Hamming in a hole and hamming in a hole. Bob, 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 bob. Give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I mean, it's just, I mean, even if it was cost effective, it's um, just making a mockery of the whole prop firm space, in my opinion. Uh, we're dipping here. Might take this short if it redips. Not even sure redips is a word, but hey. Um, and I mean, it's just. It really left a bad taste in my mouth immediately as soon as I seen it, to the point that it obviously motivated me to put out a video real quick. Ooh, no, 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 no. Ooh, took a short there and got slippage, big slippage. I hate big slippage, and I cannot lie. There you go. But and as there's talk that, I mean, it is sim, so it's not a live account, but from what I understand, they couldn't, if they were giving out live accounts, that'll actually be illegal. From what somebody told me, I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm gonna immediately get stopped out here. This was a bad decision, and I got in late with slippage. I should have got in at 41.47 half. I got in at 41.46.75, so 3 ticks away from where I should have been in. So we're gonna start the morning down here. I think it's gonna nail me. Well. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, do you remember the 20? They're running a 50% sale on that 25K eval. So right now that 25K eval is only like, oh, 75, something like that, $73, something like that. Anyone that feels they need to skip the eval part of it is just gonna blow up their funded. Especially since TickTickTrader is the only one in the industry that where you can literally pass on the first day. There's no minimum trading days. So if you feel you're that good, just pass the eval on the first day, and you're golden. You have a funded account the next day. So I thought I was gonna get stopped out, but hey, look at that! Look at this! Look at this! That said, still not sure I'm comfy with it. Or a tick or two into profit. Now we're back down to being down a tick. Well, 2 ticks now. If I had gotten in without any slippage, I'll be up 5 ticks. Oops, popping back up. Don't like that. Don't like it so. So yeah, it's definitely just 100% cash grab on their part. Oh, now I'm gonna get stopped out. So I guess I should have taken the gift they tried to give me there. Instead, I took the loss. Starting the day off down. Ooh, I took slippage on the loss too. Ouch. So I'm down 116 bucks. Not. So we got some slippage going on thanks to all these monetary policy decisions. We'll get it. Go. Yep, total money grab, and you know, TickTickTrader is the one that's ever been rudest to me. I don't like dealing with them at all. Good morning, Busy. Oh, big move back up quick. Yeah, that was what I mean, when I entered, it showed it, I entered at a price it hadn't hit. It was weird. I mean, it did eventually hit it, but had not. Matter of fact, here, you can actually see it here. I mean, blow up my chart here, and let me zoom in. Hold on. Oops, wrong way. And hold on 1 second. Oops. Let's see if you can see this here. If I can find my. There we go. There. If you look at my entry. You see that the little pink arrow for my entry is below the wick of that candle. It never actually touched where it says I entered at until 3 candles later. So first trade of the day was a loss. We are choppy here, but choppier with bigger candles. Up and down by 3. This is, I mean, technically triggering him. Remember, we have rate decisions being announced. England announced 45 minutes ago. Europe announces in a little less than half an hour. So that's causing this choppiness. Well, thank you, Jessica. Hope you had a great day in the markets. And hope you have a great rest of your day. So theoretically, this was a trigger candle up. I don't know. Choppy market like this, I'm not 100% sure. But, I mean, obviously it's working. And we watch. I want to thank everyone for joining me this early Thursday morning. Reminder, if you expect to enjoy today's broadcast, I appreciate it very much if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Rising, ooh, and a quick whip back down. So whip it good. And heading up. Excuse me. If that was the 80%, that was the recent sales of Bach, like the one that ended a couple days ago. Well, I don't know. Things run together. Like a week ago. Yeah, yeah. That one's lifetime. You can always look in your Apex dashboard as well on the site, and it'll show you your rebill total. So if you go to Apex Trader Funding, you hit login, right there, right when you log in, it'll show you your Apex subscriptions, and it shows you the billing terms. It'll tell you when your next rebill is and for how much. Pop it up to 41.54. 41.61's high so far. Morning, John. 41.63 was the high of yesterday. And we got to really go back in time until right here, 41.80 back on December 13th. How you doing, IMAD? Let's see. Did the groundhog see a shadow? Has that happened yet? According to Punxsutawney Phil, 6 more weeks of winter. Up to 41.54. Just continuing to grind up now. So chop, 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 and go. And go, it's going. Up, 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 and away. What's everything else doing? Anything else doing anything fun? Copper, chopping down. Ultra bond market opens in about 25 minutes. Yeah, ooh, Ultra bond market actually has some life to it already. It's early a riser thanks to those rate decisions going on. Ooh, excuse me. I usually mute those. But that one caught me by a bit of surprise. Oh, 41.55. We're seeing like we topped out here about 41.56. Let's see if we can get through here. You can see we kind of topped out on this last run up here is the same spot. And here. So this is 3 times. Over here was where we hit our high of the night, day, whatever. Did not take my supplements with breakfast earlier, so I'm going to do that quickly now. So I'm going to mute for about a minute. AC, I have never traded Florida. What's its tick size? JC wants to know if there's any Florida traders here. I know normally there is, but Mr. G's missing. Mr. G is missing for 3 days now, but I've seen him posting on Twitter, so I know he's alive. Chris Moore responded to my video yesterday, so I know he's alive. Yep, but the threat, the non-negligible threat that you might at any point in time be eaten by a gator. Chef's also I know he's in Florida. Luis Sanchez, he's in Florida. No, he's in Texas now. Just every now and then it hits negative 60. Yeah. uh, uh, so, yeah, there's a few states that have no state income tax. Pulling down, so it could not get it back above this area. We should probably draw a line. Boop. There's the line. And remember, we have ECB rate decision in like 12 minutes. You know, here's the thing though. If I'm making good money, I don't mind paying taxes at all. You know, it's not like taxes are always a bad thing. I mean, unless you don't like paying police officers and firefighters and our soldiers that risk their lives in the military and things like that. And those places that have no state taxes, they gotta make it up someplace else. So you're paying in other ways. Well, it'll bounce here. Yeah, exactly. I mean, no matter what, you're paying for it in other ways. Oh, I know, and I think our soldiers should get paid better. It depends in Florida there, JC. I know it's dipped down into the 20s and 30s a couple of times. Mr. G was talking about that a couple, when I was getting, like negative 20-degree wind chills, his wind chill went down into slightly into the regular 20s. Yes, there is always that hurricane thing too. I think the calmest, most comfortable place to live where you're not worried about, yeah, it's very rare for weather to be like someplace like San Diego. But I like having all four seasons. It just got up to this around this 41.55 level again, and again it's just not able to get above. It's a failure. It's a failure, I say.
Why Utah? Just curious. I mean, I have nothing against Utah, but it's not a destination I hear a lot of people say. Yeah, it does look beautiful. Yeah, up here we go. It's trying again. It touched it again. It tickled it again. Is it gonna go again? By the way, this would have been a trigger candle. I'm kind of like just zoned out on it. And again, can't get above that level. There's a wall. Will the wall come tumbling down near the wall? All in all, it's just another candle hitting the wall. Yep. The YouTube says we got a new subscriber just in the last couple minutes, but it doesn't tell me who. So whoever just joined us, welcome to the herd. Thank you for being here. Feel free to say hello in the chat and introduce yourself if you feel comfortable doing so. Very glad to have you here. NQ's at a big number, NQ. Well, yeah, right under 12.6. Ultrabot opens in 10 minutes. We have the ECB rate decision in 5 minutes. So 0 for 1 today so far. I could have got it back right there if I had reacted to that right there. Eh, up, down, up, down. Everybody look what's going around. See, anything else having fun? Gold sideways. Crude. Made a new daily low. Pop back up from there. Copper. Made a new daily low. Pop back up from there. Another attempt to bounce. Hanging here at 41.53. One minute to the ECB rate decision. We sit here and wait. Trying to pop again there. Ooh. Well, we had a little pop there before the rate decision. I mean, unless it came out early. Popped up to 41.57. It was a 5-point pop. Pulling back under that line I drew, though. Let's see where it goes. If it actually it shot early there. I'm not sure. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. No, not yet. Boom. Down. Back up. A little all over the place. Sure, the rate decision was what they expected. Yep, 2.5. I'm sorry, 3. Interest rate 3. They expected 3. Good morning, Deb. Good to see you. Hey, Matt. How are you doing? It's a little whippy here, but not really going much, going anywhere, is what I am trying to say, I think. Who knows what I'm trying to say? Oops. What the heck did I just do? Go away. Go away. There we go. It looks like that up is the direction it wants to go. But struggling here. High of the night was 41.61. We're still about 5 points underneath that. Oh, boom. 41.59. But it's hanging in those bands. It's a band hanger. So I guess I can get rid of that white line. Pushing up. Pulling back down now after that burst up. So got up to 41.59, well above the bands. Now pulling down. Only about 2 points pull down so far. So far. And bouncing back up again. So, boom, 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 boom. We have jobless claims coming up in 10 minutes. Ultra bond markets opening. You can see it was rising up before the open. Kind of just a slight pullback here on the open. So up to 41.59.75 and pulling back again. This is a slow grind up. $41.60. Absolutely, John. I would encourage more people to post charts and their thoughts on trading in the Discord. So 41.61. So I think we just got to the high of the overnight. Yes. So we matched that candle from the Europe Open yesterday. 41.63 quarter. Thank you, Avi. Appreciate that. Good morning to you.
And there we go. We just got a new high. Because I got high. Sitting there at 41.61. 41.61. And just continuing to try and rise up here in a slow grind. Where's NQ heading? Hey, NQ up to 620. Ultra Bond rising up 145. Ultra Bond, nice new high day. Just double top with yesterday's high though. Let's see if it breaks through. I think we're at a pretty high level now. We did hit a couple of weeks ago. We hit 146.01, so we're not, we're still about a point away from there. You can see this has been an area where it's struggled at. It has not gotten above that 146 area since it did this major fall back in around September. So last time we were in that area or above it. And most of that doesn't really matter for day trading, but yeah, I always like to throw in entertaining tidbits. I know most people like bits of tids. Wait, that came out really bad, and I said tid, A-T-I-D. Sometimes I really gotta think before I say weird things. Hang at this 4160 level. Unemployment news coming up in just under 3 minutes. Yep, we do, Chef. What's cooking today, Chef? Well, good luck with that.
Pulls down. So we got a high of 41.62 quarter. It's pulled back by a couple points. Fifteen seconds. Little dip. Dip, 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 dip. Let's see here. Looking at the numbers. The U.S. initial jobless claims 183K. Expected was 195K. So that's a beat. Continued jobless claims 1.655. Expected 1.684. So that's a beat. So all good economy numbers. And we see it spiked up there to a new high. Came right back down. 41.64 half. So until it shows us otherwise, our trend is definitely in the upside now. It's an upside trend. Pushing up. Beat stopped. I need to fix that. Oops. And pulling down now after hitting that 41.64 half twice. Quick spike down. Real big spike down. Wow, everything's spiking down. Look at that move on Bitcoin. And Q. Ultraviolet's not. So I shouldn't say everything. Oh, and the Dow's not really either. Well, that's a 5-minute candle. And a little bounce. Yeah, busy. It's a weird one. I thought the Fed and the Fed won. Chef, where did you enter that? Are you still in it? Seem to be having a little bit of internet blipping. Make sure you hit your live button so you're with the live broadcast, just in case it starts lagging. Sorry to hear that, Chef. Pulling back. Pulling back. Breaking the... Don't go breaking my EMA. Dips under the 20. Trying to dip back up. Dip back up. No, it's trying to push back up. Indecisive here at 41.59. Technically a trigger candle back up, but I guess I should have taken it. Quick pop for a point. Didn't really like it, but we'll see if I wasn't stupid. I don't know why. I feel a little bit hesitant today compared to the last few days. And I got to get that out of my brain. Yep, so that would have been a good trigger. So if you look here, every up trigger, except for this one, and this one I didn't win the counter because it broke through those bands. That was an up trigger. That was an up trigger. That was an up trigger. All would have worked. And then this one went down below the band, and the green also would have worked.
Came back up, made a lower high. Now it's trying to push down again. Hanging here right above this EMA. EMA Sports. It's in the trading. In the chart. That would have been better. Anyway, watching it. Watching. Everything's kind of pushing down. So I like this down, up, down. I mean, up, down. I might take this short here. I might if it holds below that EMA. Right now, it has not held below the EMA. Morning, CBR. How are things? So we do have a press conference, I think, coming up. ECB press conference with President Lagarde, whatever that is. However you pronounce his name. And another little burst up there. Not real bursty, but oh, not ready to come down yet. Trend is your friend, so says John Burrow, who's not yet here today, or if he is, he hasn't made his presence known. Good morning, John. How are you doing? Oh yeah, 11 days. Pitchers and catchers report. It's trying to rise back up to this high. Hey, Dave. Good morning. How are things going for you? Ah, I'm glad you got there. That's excellent. Seems like you're meeting your goals most days, John. Got back up to 41.63 3/4, three ticks off the high. Let's see where we go.
Nice, John. The algo not nice, but nice for you. Morning, Ace. How was Ace today? Weather here is chilly, but not horrible. Although my landlord's coming to fix that window today, so for a while there's going to be a big hole in the wall while he does that. So that should let in a lot of nice cold air. Hey, Josh. Good to see you. Yeah, John. And the only reason he's fixing it is because, and we have a bullish engulfing here watching, trying to rise up here again. We do that ECB press conference going on right now. The only reason he's fixing it is because it can be seen from the outside that there's a board or something there, and the insurance company told him he needed to fix it. How you doing today, Josh? Back up to the high here. 41.64.25. 41.64.50 was high. Market seems to be liking what the ECB president is saying. There's a burst up to 41.66. So we're now higher than at any point since December 13th when we jolted up to 41.80 off of December's CPI report. If we get above 41.80, daily chart here, this was that report. If we get above 41.80, then we're going all the way back to September when it hit 42.06. About 12 minutes to the top of the hour when the energies market's open. Just one trade today so far. Took the loss. Took slippage on the loss as well. 5 straight green days. But I'm not letting that pressure me here. Under pressure. Oh, there's another burst. 41.69. Morning, Korea. Really bursting up here. 41.69 half. Must really be liking what that guy is saying. Though Financial Juice isn't posting any headlines from his speech. Ultra Bond dipped a little bit, but trying to come back up. BTC dipping. Copper, Dow, popping. For those that are unaware, Josh there is a part of Blue Sky Trading. I'm not sure of his exact position. I never asked. But a couple weeks, we're probably going to do an interview with Josh. I just got to actually figure out how to do interviews because I've never done one before, but I'm going to work on that. Josh is also on the MightyOxTrading Discord. Stops in there from time to time. And of course, Blue Sky Trading has their own Discord as well. We're hanging here, a little bit of a pullback, but waiting for a nice setup. It already passed, most of it already passed ACE, but we do have U.S. factory orders at 10 a.m. Eastern. And that's marked in red on Financial Juice. And you have the ECB president having a press conference right now. I didn't really. I mean, I should have, but eh. I traded another account. I went down and then got it all back and stopped. I literally stopped at 0. And it was crazy moves. We could. Here's that turn back time. And I was marking them off. I was watching it, and you can see here. This was the actual FOMC dipped, ripped down, kind of consolidated. This is where Powell started talking, and the market just kept going and going and going. The Energizer, Jerome Powell. And just like now, it's just going and going, going. New high a day, 41.71.5 here. Those people are moderators, Ahmed. Hey, good afternoon, Jay. Markets exploding upwards. I'm doing all right. Uh, Josh just said in the Blue Sky Discord today at 4 Eastern. They're doing a free webinar and giving away a 50K evaluation. Josh, what's the subject of the webinar? I'm on the Blue Sky Discord. You know, I should probably know this. Uh, here's a link to the Blue Sky Trading Discord. $41.73 half. Thank you. Trade management mistakes in Blue Sky Discord today at 4 Eastern, 3 Central, 2 Mountain, 1 Pacific. I don't know any other time zones besides those 4. Josh, is that webinar going to be some like recorded in some way, where if someone's not available to watch it today, they can watch it at a later time? Yeah, good questions for Josh. Do you have to register for it? I don't think so. I just checked out the Discord. Right. Yeah, I figured that for the raffle. Yeah, you need to be present. What's the expected length on it, Josh? Do you have a time frame? About 45 minutes? No registration required. We are less than 30 seconds away from the top of the hour. Energy's markets open. We'll take a gander at crude since ES is, well, as I say that, it pops there, but ES is kind of just leveled out here for a couple minutes. That crude chart looks like an ugly chart. Wow. But we don't try not to judge. We're all about chart body positivity here. But that's just ugly. There's the open, and look at crude dumping. Whoa, big dump on crude. Down 25 ticks. Down under 76. ES pulls back a little there as well. Popping back up there on crude. So it got down to 75.71s, popped back up to 75.90. That was quite the little. Morning, Hassan. It's a good question. I'll be honest, Hassan, every time I think the market's going to dump, it hasn't, which is why we're up here. Hassan, I'm sure those people that, you know, got in at ES at like 3,000 said that same thing. It's got to come back down eventually. Good morning, Burl. Oh, gold's been dumping. Look at gold head down. It's quite the move down there on gold. Whenever I see Hassan or Burl, and they both seem to come in at the same time, so maybe they rode in on the same train, I think about gold. When I see JC and when I see Dakota, I think about the Ultra Bond, which is also still rising up. Look at that. Boom, 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 up. So we're now less than half an hour until the bell. Only one trade so far, didn't work out. We'll work on getting more. There you go. Hassan, in just 1,000 short days, you might be able to make a withdrawal. No, I'm kidding. That green is green, and you'll be able to, I'm sure you'll get more. Oh, how close to dead was it? Cat's yelling at me. New high day, 41.74. Wow. Yeah, I won like that as about $200, 250, something like that left.
Need to still work on digging that sucker out. That's a nice dig there, Hassan. Great job. Getting here a bit. Crude bouncing a bit. Back up over 76. Natural gas made a new high for the day. $41.74 the high. Oh, never mind. $41.76 the high. Yeah, it just keeps on going and going and going. You can see here, our low is last night at 41.36. Now at the 41.76. So since the low of Asia last night, we've gone up 40. And if we break 41.80, then like I said, we're at highs we have not seen since September. Late September back in 63. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. Helps the YouTube algorithm tell other people that you liked it and other people should check it out. So, Avi just gave his thoughts. He says that's his 2 cents. So I guess we all need to give Avi 2 cents now. I always appreciate hearing what people have to say, their analysis of what the market's doing.
Don't be afraid to speak up with your thoughts. Everyone's always welcome to post. Say hi in the chat, ask questions, make comments. It's the market. We're all often wrong. So 41.7625. It's pulled back by about 3 points here. RJ, good morning. Up, I accidentally dropped and shattered my crystal ball, Hassan. Turns out you really shouldn't play basketball with it. Gosh darn customs. So here's a dip. We've dipped from the high there at 41.76. We've dipped 8 points. Copper rocking it right now. Q dipping, of course. Little dip there on the Ultra Bond. Bitcoin popping back up. Not sure. I think it'd be hard to walk with a pair of those. Yep. Not taking any shorts. That said, this setup here makes me want to go short. It's down, quick move back up, and this goes back down below that candle like it's trying to right now. This makes me want to go short for a quick 2 points. I'm not going to, but it really makes me want to jump in if this breaks below that candle. $15 till the bell. Ring-a-ling. Hear them ring. Today is Groundhog's Day. Punxsutawney Phil saw his shadow. Thus they say 6 more weeks of winter. Okay, so let's see if I was right here. It did get below that candle. It's riding the band though. All right, RJ. RJ likes the Dow. And the Dow likes RJ. Yeah, looks like this would have ended up stopping me out if I had taken that short. Vaguely, Hassan, vaguely. I remember it a little bit. Avi's looking for peanut butter around 150. So this is a trigger candle up. Do I want to take it here? That's a good question. Well, we're going to try it. We're in long. Off that trigger candle back up. Doesn't seem to be liking me though. Down a point. Back to my entry. Using my entry as resistance. Getting a little bit of swirling. Hit those live buttons so you stay in the live broadcast. Stream, whatever. My entry point here. We're about 10 minutes from the bell. Out pulling back on me. Gosh darn it. Looks like I'm going to take a second loss here. So 2 losses today. Not a good day. Down 233. This is the way worst day in the last week. And there it pops back up. Nice. Bottom ticked me there and popped right back up. So perhaps I should have switched to a 3-point stop there. We'll see what the end result ends up being. This at least once every freaking day. We're back. Remember to hit the live and the like. Yep, look at that. It bottom ticked me to stop me out and then went my direction. That would have given me my 2. Maybe. Actually, no, yeah, not yet. 41.72 was my entry. 41.72.25 was my entry. So no, it would not have yet given me my 2. So I always worry about getting in on big trigger candles, and that's kind of what happened there. Pulled back. This would have been where it stopped me at. Actually, would have been maybe a better entry. That would have given me 2. Where it wicked down there and came back up. I should have got right back in. But that's okay. Probably stay flat now until after the bell. And pulls back. So low or high there. Popping right back up here. Just a few minutes before the bell. Just a few minutes before the bell.
Strong move back up.
I think at the bell, we're either going to go up or down or sideways. That's the ox analysis that you tune in for. It's trying to get up to the daily high here right before the bell. Hello, freighter.
I was just covering all my bases, Hassan.
There's days that the market seems to hate me enough that if I say it's going to go up or down, it will just flatline for the next hour.
Just trying to drive up here right before the bell. No Wi-Fi on the train? Oh, you probably don't take a computer. Never mind, I'm stupid. And you don't want to trade from a phone. We are 20 seconds from the bell. Oh, makes sense. You think they'll figure out a way to fix that? So there's the ding, 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 and we're not really seeing anything, ding, thing moving yet. Not a lot of action here. Remember, we do have news coming up at 10 o'clock Eastern in half an hour. I forget what it is, but we do have it coming up. It's U.S. factory orders month over month. Yes, Hassan, you didn't miss your train, did you? There's a pop-up. Didn't quite get the high day, though. We're choppy. Ooh, big move down now. 5-point candle down.
Back under 41.70, down to 41.68. This little dip back here, down to 41.67. Let's see where this goes. Ooh. There we go. Dip down to 41.66 half. Got to keep an eye there where RJ was calling out levels earlier. There's a bounce though. Bounce by 2. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Tell her I said hello. I seem to be popular with the wives. Ace's wife likes to listen as well. I appreciate that very much, JC. Ooh, big pop back up. So that was a 6 1/4 candle down. Now we're back up by 4 1/4. I agree, RJ. Things like that make me happy. Awesome. We are choppy with big candles. Does she trade at all, JC? Oh, wow. Quick burst down there by like 8 points and coming all back straight up. But yeah, this is like wild right now. Wow. Look at that wick. That's a thought a lot of people have. Great job, Sid. Takes lightning fast reflexes there. No one's ever accused me of being lightning fast. Our ATR's up to 350. So I should move to a 3-point target and stop. That said, I haven't set up a ATM with a 3-point target and stop. So down, up, fail, down, 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 down looks like where it wants to go right now. But it's not going smoothly. Googly moogly. Whoosh. Down to 41.63. So now from our high, whoa, wow. Down to 41.61. We've dropped 15 points from the high now. Excellent job, RJ. Big bounce there. Popping back up. Below the 100, kind of bouncing here. Moving fast and furious. Tokyo Drift. I guess that'd be the Asia session. Right back down. Keeps tickling that 100, popping back down from it. Yep, now above it, now below it. It's all over the place. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Back up. And down. And up. Technically a trigger candle up, not trusting it. Good decision so far. Though if this does a up, down, up move, I might. Oh, there. That's interesting. Still about 35 seconds on this candle. Watching. Let's play the feud. Yep. Down, up, down. $41.68 is where we're sitting right now. Yep. Down's the direction now. So like down, up, failure, back down. ATR 436 though. Looking for a break of the 100, I think. Still wishy-washy. Dow is crashing. Dow is crashing. Wow. 127 on that 5 minute, 108 on that 5 minute, and now 40 on this one. I think that's like over 250 points. Oh, and here comes ES as well. With a strong candle down. Candle's 4.5. You see it struggled to get below this level, but now it's trying. 41.61. It's at 41.63. Another pop-up green. JC says 6E is getting real close to wiping out yesterday's Fed bulls. I considered going short there. Did not. Should have. Probably. Yep. Should have. Darn it. That was a trigger candle and it worked. See if it breaks through. Whoop. Right, there it goes. Broke through that 41.61 resistance and falling fast. Twice I thought about going short. Twice I hesitated. Twice I would have gotten wins. Remember, we do have more news. I've said it 3 times and I keep forgetting what it is. U.S. factory orders month over month coming up at the top of the hour. I knew what you meant there, JC, but it still made me chuckle. Big bounce there off of 41.58.75. Huge bounce up to 41.65. Back up to the 100 and tickling it. VWAP. VWAP. Strong rise up here. This was a trigger candle, but I was starting to get biased on the short side. And I guess Lagarde's saying stuff that the market likes. And again, would have got 2 or 3 points. Although it's coming right back down. Big wick, little body. It's a minefield type of day. With all these speakers and news and we're swirling. It's struggling to get back up there. It looks like it wants to come back down. Come on down. You're the next contestant. Going short. It's bouncing off that 20. And strong move here. Coming back down to the 100. Nope. Still whipping around. Whip my hair. Down 5.5. Down the scan. They must have stopped liking what he was having to say. Ooh, darn it. Down it goes. I had my finger on the short button. I didn't take it again. This choppy action has me running scared, and you can see the choppy action shouldn't have me running scared because this will be 3 wins in the last 10 minutes. Grr. Oh my God! Gold just 40-point range now today on gold. Big bounce there on ES. Hit your live button, folks, so we're getting a little bit of interference again. Back up here. Hitting that 20 and the 100 and trying to come back down here. Bullish engulfing over that last candle. Nah. Again, I don't know why I'm being so timid today. This sucks. This would have worked. Mindset's not right today. Had a pretty negative night last night. Landlord coming today to work on the house today. My brain's just not in the right place. See it. I mean, it keeps coming down, but it keeps struggling. We got down to 58.75, 58.75, 59.50, 60.25. It's struggling to get below this level. Now it's trying to break again. Break again. Breaker, breaker, 1-9. Top of the hour coming up here. Remember, we got some another bit of news coming. Got down to 41.58, so it did get below all these wicks, but not by much, and it's popping back up. So we're kind of stuck in a weird range here a bit, but China market's trying to decide which way it wants to go. Wow, look at gold. Oh my god, I just moved that line, and now it's down another 4 points. Gold has just totally lost its mind. From a high today of 1975.2, it's now just hit a low of 1935.6, so just about a 40-point drop. What's crude doing? Crude also dropping down to 75.38. Ultra Bond big pullback after hitting a high of 145.29. Everything's pulling down right now. Copper pulling down. Dow's leveled off. Natural gas doesn't care. What's the dollar doing? Yeah, that's a good question. I don't have live data on the dollar. Well, I might actually. Give me a second. DXY. Nah. Maybe. I'm not sure that's the right thing. Yeah, I don't have live data on the TradingView for the dollar. Oh yeah, news report. Totally just forgot. Moving down further here. Down another 5 points. Yeah. Factory orders month over month, actual 1.8. Forecast was 2.3, so that was a miss. Miss. Natural gas inventory is coming up in half an hour. We're down to 41.56. And popping back up. Up by 6 points, back into the 41, up to 41.65, just that fast. Just that fast, people, just that fast. Maybe wanting to come back down here. Let's see. I kind of like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Yep, now looks like it wants to go up. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Bipolar. Back to the downside. Pushing down. Not an easy day to trade thus far. But it would have given wins if I had just taken the trades. But that said, it's been very choppy. Up and down, big candles. Dakota, how are you doing today? Haven't heard from you. Copper really falling. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture hit that top, soybeans hit that top band and fell. Corn falling. Looks like everything in agriculture is falling as well. RJ's predicting a bear attack, so make sure you have your spray. So hanging here, 41.62. Where are we gonna go from here? Get along, little doggy. Get along. We're swirling a little bit again. Bit rate's down. Yep, down to 40.57. We hit 40.55 on these candles. And pushing further down. 40.54.25, getting close to that 50 area that RJ talking about. Popping back up here. Up, red, green, red maybe? Or not. Pull down to 41.54. Reminder that we really don't talk politics here. Most likely half of you are on one side, half of you are on the other, and then there's a few in the middle. And I find that politics destroys communities. So please don't take the fact that I just hid your message there personally. Oh, no need to apologize. It's all good. But I just don't want to see a whole bunch of battling going on in the chat. $41.53. Hey, I'm just glad to see John Doe every day. I'm glad to see he's alive because almost every show I watch, there ends up being a dead John Doe. And, I'm like, oh man, I hope this wasn't John. Yeah, it was all good, RJ. I'm not, like I said, I don't want, I don't want this channel to become Seth's channel. We've been having a little bit of bit rate issues, so hit your live buttons, guys. You might be a couple seconds to a minute or so lagging behind. Yeah, all good, RJ. I mean, I'm not upset by anything. I just explained, I did hide one comment, and I just wanted to quickly explain why I did that. I didn't want anyone to get offended that I did that. I just, that's why I quickly, talked and explained why I do it. Says we've gone up another subscriber. So whoever you are, if you're here, welcome. Feel free to introduce yourself in the chat if you feel comfortable. Thank you for being here. Reminder, yesterday I posted a video about NinjaTrader's newest money grab and the way they're making a mockery of the prop firm space. Posted that video yesterday. Here's the link. Appreciate it if you check it out. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up as well. Popping up here to the 20. So it got down to 41.53. Stuck its tongue out at RJ for thinking about 41.50, and that's popped back up to 41.59. Sid, RJ's in Canada, so big boom. Back up to, I don't even know, 41.66. Again, we're teetering on politics again. Nice big move up there. That was a that was a 27 tick candle. Okay, guys, you need to. I mean, I know I was never in Seth's room, but y'all need to, send me that stuff too, because I'm interested. Put me on that email list. Yep. Yep. That was a trigger candle, and yes, it would have worked again. Look at this. So, I've been kind of frozen today. Like I said, my mind, it's not 100% here today. We're down on two bad trades that I could have made up several times here. Thank you, RJ. Wow, that's a lot of words. Pulls down. I appreciate you saying that, Ace. I do my best for everybody. And like I've said before, doing this has probably kept me in the game when there were days I wanted to quit. But I was like, eh. But the Pope will always wear nicer looking gowns. So, big down, trying to get back up. No, 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 we're not bashing Dakota. Not at all. He just said richer than the Pope, and I just said Pope has nicer gowns. I didn't mean anything by it. Really, I did not. I don't. Wow, we've hit politics and religion in the last like 10 minutes. Let's clear this. No, I wasn't bashing anybody. Was push it back up. So down, up, down, then back up, sideways. It's done all three things in the last 5 minutes. Yeah, we're definitely, it was one quick comment. It was nothing bad. So seriously, Dakota, if you know we did offend you in any way, we do apologize. It was not. It was not meant bad in any way. I honestly have an equal respect for all religions. You're still misspelling it, Ace. It's Bezos. Well, I do like their rainforest. Up to 4170. Consolidating here. Can't get above this 4171 level. So how about that groundhog? Not sure if anyone noticed, but I had a groundhog on the thumbnail for today's stream. I should update. That should upset that Jason guy who got all upset about my Christmas decor. 4176.25 was their high of the day. We're 4 points below that. We're 6 points. I'm sorry, 6 likes below 30. If anyone has a like that they haven't given yet and they feel like they've liked the stream enough to give one, I appreciate it. We've been doing 30 on a regular basis. Like all this week, we've hit 30 likes. It probably is not that important, honestly, but it makes me feel good. Yeah, still not really. We're just kind of hanging here. Doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to come down. Doesn't want to swing its partner round and round. Ooh, wow. Okay. Well, that was a statement. Big move up here. 41.79 new high a day. We had natural gas inventories. I don't think that did that. But natural gas is popped big. Yeah, I was thinking of something to. I don't know. I don't know what Shambongs are either. Mm, we're one tick away from 41.80, which is where the high we hit back on CPI day, December 12th. There it is, and we just got above it. We are now higher than at any point since September. I was gonna guess that actually. That's what they were. 41.84. So look here quickly. Our hourly chart. We'll go to a daily chart. You can see we just got above here when we got up to 41.80 on December 12th or 13th, one of those 2 days. And now next step is from September 13th, 42.06. Then before that, we go back to August 26th. So definitely, market's looking like a bull market. All the experts predicted otherwise. I shouldn't say all the experts, but the experts are saying we should be dropping like 3,000. Jay, you watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians every day. Just kidding. I have never watched that show in my life. So with less than a half an hour to go, looks like today's going to be my first red day after 5 straight green days. I really need to come up with a Green Day song I can sing every time I say Green Day. 41.85. 41.86. Just continuing to rise, maybe going to all-time highs. No, just kidding. $41.87.75. See how fast we've risen since yesterday. FOMC 40.072. So 100 points since 2 p.m. Eastern yesterday. Quite the move. This candle here is 27 on the hourly. NQ up to almost 12,800. Hey, Crypticon, where you been? It's different from other rhythmic style. Oh, they have the Tradovate. No, I don't know. I haven't had the pleasure of having an eval that can be done on both Ninja and Tradovate. Just continuing to rise here. Almost at 41.90 now.
There's 41.90. 41.91. Are we gonna see 4,200 today? What do you think, guys? Pulling back just a tad here. It should be a pretty fun ride. Up, 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 or down, down, down. So watching in here, 15 minutes ago on the stream. There'll be no extra today because my landlord's supposed to be coming right at 10. 10 my time. Shorting 41.90. It's a good call there, Sid. What's everything else? He is above 12,800. Very spotty today now on the Ultra Bond. Not much going on there, it doesn't look like. Copper rebounded. Crude dipped all the way down to under 75, but wow, quite the pop back up on this candle, on this hourly candle. Natural gas is kind of erratic. Looks like a pop back up on ag. But here's a yes, back up to 41.90. Another pullback. But struggling to get above that 91 area. Hey. Can't hit your live button. Well, there you hit your live button to get back to the live broadcast. Still swirling. Starting to think it's Streamlabs. Yep. There we go. Bursting up again. 41.91 half. But not didn't get much further than that. $41.92 again. So there we go. 40. It's coming, going, making new highs tick by tick. But 41.93. 8 minutes to go. Can it get to 4,200 before the end of the stream? That is the question. Fortunately, we are going to end today, barring some sort of weird miracle. We are going to end the day in the red. First red day in the last 6. But in everybody's life, a red day must fall. $41.96.75.
Yep, I agree. I agree. And Q's kind of stalled actually. Well, 24. ES pulled back a little bit there. Trying. So we've pulled back about 5. Well, so not 200 yet. 96 back down to 90. Let's see if it bounces here. We have a couple more minutes. Stream's continuing to act up. It kind of didn't touch that EMA, but kind of trying to bounce there. And a little dip down there. So I think we're going to call it for today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Unfortunately, red day. Only took 2 trades. Should have took more. Got a little skittish. Didn't let myself get it back. Hopefully, I can shake that for tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Remember. Anyway, hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We will talk to you tomorrow. And we'll see you then. Thank you all. Bye. Discord community. Community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.